So we're just having a little think about how we might attach one of these boxes to the outside of the car. We'll take the panel off and have a think, but before we do that, I just want to get an idea of where it might sit. Oh, the box is actually like the perfect size for this. Yeah, I just need to centralize it between those outside cutouts. I'll do some bolts through the back here, stick some Sikaflex on them to stop the rain getting in. I might even try and figure out a trick little setup with a bit of string connecting both so that he just sort of stops there, and that'll be sweet. All right, let's get the funk out. You need to insert a clip of putting the kettle on. And he lives like so. Oh, we need to make sure the logo's the right way up. I'm going to assume that the logo is correct on the backside. Assuming has never got me into trouble before. I've got to go grab an 8mm drill bit, a drill and some bits. I'll be back. Okay. Trying to pick holes that are close to the outsides, but also the back of this has got a bunch of like structural webbing through it. I'm just trying to avoid the webbing, but stay somewhat close to it so we can use the strength from it. Another thing that I thought about when I was halfway through drilling that hole was I probably should check that I've got enough space for nuts on the other side. I guess we'll figure that out when we flip the box open. It's looking pretty good. Now I'll just do a bit of a dry run to start with. We'll figure out the waterproofing afterwards. But I mean, that's starting to look all right. Oh, actually a split would be better.
What colour?
Green, yeah. Always important to take breaks while you work. I ruined my ice cream. So let's get back to waterproofing the box. I want to add some string somewhere in here so that when you open it up, it stops just there. That way you can double this up as a work surface. If you really wanted to go all out, you could even get some plywood and put it in there so it's a nice super flat surface. We've acquired some of the best Sika seal money can buy from our friends at Bunnings. Now, I don't really have a technique to this. Like a baker and a plumber had a baby. That's how good I am on the silicone. Hey, oh.
Oh no, the jeans.
Did it again. On the jeans again too. Now I just want to take a second to have a think about my string situation. This side's easy. I think I'll just stick a string on one of these little webbings there. I could easily put the string to one of these bolts that I've drilled earlier, but then that's going to take up valuable real estate. So I sort of want the string along this edge, and it's just keeping it watertight. That's the only thing. The easy way would just be to drill it through, tie a knot, and put a bunch of silicone on it, but rather 3D print something or get a bit creative like that, but we're just a bit pressed for time.
What about a little eyeball that you can silicone through?
Yeah, that's a good idea. So I just had the idea of using an eye bolt, which I think is what I'll do. So I'm glad I came up with that idea. I'll go grab one and get it going. Got some little eye bolts here. What I'll do is I'll stick them somewhere up towards the top there so that our string can come down to there. Now, you probably want to use a smaller eye bolt than this, but this was just what we had lying around. I've just cut these guys to roughly the length with a little bit of extra to tie my knots and whatnot. Now to drill my holes in this guy. Feed him through, tie him off into a nice little knot. Now, in an ideal world, we'd probably want to let our silicone dry a little longer, but we're on a bit of a crunch. This has been a fun little surprise project. Now, I'm not cranking down crazy tight on any of these bolts because we are only bolting through plastic. Not good. Going nowhere. Okay, a wise man once told me, if you can't tie knots, tie lots.
You can't tie knots, tie lots.
I'd said a wise man once told me that, and the wise man's standing right here. What do you reckon? Don't look at the silicone work or the knots or the hole centers. Far from good, but good from afar? No, it is good.
Actually, that's a really good idea, the chairs.
Is that going to fall out? No, look at that. Done. Have you seen in the States where people modify this sort of stuff and they put in shelves and they put in little things and like pelican cases? People go nuts on those things.
What I want to do is put a solar panel there.
And then pull up to camp and do that.
Camp and that's my solar.
That'd be cool.